Hey everybody, and welcome to a windy day at Woodcrest Bonsai. Today I'm going to prune my very first parrot's beak, and I apologize for the wind. It's also been very rainy, so I'm dodging raindrops, and I plan on giving this guy a major restyling come spring. But for today I'm just going to give it a little bit of a haircut. The last time I cut it a little too short in here. So this time I'm going to come back out here more. There. Much nicer. And my plans in the spring is to solve these bar branches. We have two bar branches right here. So I'm going to remove this one. And then I also have two apices. And I'm going to choose one, and then I think I'm going to choose the back one. And then I'm going to bring this branch here as the second main branch. So that will open it up tremendously. It'll end up being a much taller tree. I also plan on putting it into a more shallow pot that's a little bit longer. But for today, just a little maintenance haircut, and I apologize for the wind. If I waited for the wind to die down, I wouldn't be doing the video at all today, or even tomorrow probably, or even maybe the next day. There's actually a hurricane out in the Gulf, and we're not going to really see the effects of it. But this wind is from that storm, even though it's hundreds of miles away. So, welcome to hurricane season. Alright, there we go. I love this tree because of the trunk, the hollow, and it's hollow all the way through here. And then the aerial roots. It's a pretty cool tree. It's got nice movement. A lot of it is not necessarily visible. So in the spring, you'll see the transformation. I think it will make the tree look sparse, but over time, it'll be that much nicer. I will like it that much more. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be able to watch this guy continue on his journey as I continue on mine. And leave a comment if you'd like. If you live in a tropical area, or you have the ability to give your trees really good cold protection, Parrot's Beak are great bonsai. They grow fast, so they need a little bit more maintenance, but that fast growth also means that they develop very quickly too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.